everybody, welcome back to Mennonite Heritage Village at Home for Kids. I'm your host, Hannah Friesen. And today, I'm in the main gallery, and I'm sitting here at a replica school desk. And you see this hole right there? It's not a cup holder for your water bottle. It was actually an inkwell. So they would put their little pots of ink and they would dip their quill in and so that they can write on paper. Today on the show, Katie Loewen is back with another story, and this time it includes a bunch of different names, so make sure you listen carefully to see if your name is used. Later on, I'll be showing you how to make rag dolls. Now, let's hear our story.
Here we have A Perfect Day by Karen Berger. It snowed and snowed and snowed and snowed. The whole world was white. Emma got to make the first tracks in the snow. But then Leo whooshed by on his skis. Otto got lost in a deep drift. There he is. Sasha and Max showered Oscar with a wild flurry of snowballs, while Willa climbed to the top of a big mountain. Thea and Lila built the tallest snowman ever, and the smallest. Mickey made the very best snow fort with Sarah. Then Everett sped by on a sled, and so did Finn and Simone and Sophie and Sadie. Nick and Anya spun loop-de-loops on the frozen pond. And look who else. And Charlotte opened an icicle stand. Then all together, everyone made snow angels. Dusk came and the lights blinked on. It's getting dark. It was time to go home to warm hugs and dry clothes and hot chocolate. The perfect end to a perfect day. The end.
Hey everybody, welcome back to this week's craft. So today we are making a Kuda Pup, or a rag doll, if you can't say Kuda, which personally I struggled with saying it, so don't worry about the pronunciation. Back in the pioneer days, way back, even further back than your parents and your grandparents, children would make these rag dolls during church services because, let's be honest, church services are a little too long and we need something to keep us busy while we listen to the pastor. So what often happened is the man or the father would carry a handkerchief and the kids would grab the handkerchiefs and make these dolls to keep them occupied during church, just like how you sometimes will color or play with Lego or something during church. So what you will need is your father's handkerchief, and if he doesn't have one, that's okay. You can just use a spare piece of cloth. We prefer it to be a square shape. Some cotton balls, some rubber bands, some lace for a girl doll, or a felt black circle for a male, a black and red pen, and some glue and scissors. So what you're going to need to start off with is taking your cloth and take a couple of cotton balls. Doesn't really matter how big you want it. This is going to be the head. So however big you want your head to be, if you want it big, if you want it small, grab as many cotton balls as you need. Put it right in the middle of the fabric. And then you're just going to grab it like this into your fist and then twist the fabric like that. Take your rubber band and tie it off. Just like that. And there you have a head and a body. So for the arms, what you're going to need to do is take each side and you're going to knot them. So you're going to go like this and do a little knot. If you can't do a knot, just grab your mom or dad or an older sibling, and if they can do a knot for you, then that's perfect. And then there's one arm, and then we'll do the exact same thing to the other side. There we go, just like that. Now it has two little arms. Then you're gonna take your black pen and you're gonna draw two eyes right on the head. Just like that. And then you can also use the black pen for a mouth if you don't want your doll to have lipstick, but I think lipstick is fun. So we're gonna grab some red, the red pen, and we're gonna draw a little smile because the doll's having some fun. Just like that. And then this comes the creative part. So if you want your doll to be a girl, or if you like lace, you grab the lace and you cut it to the size, however long you would like it to be on the head. So I'm going to make it a little bit shorter. And then you take your glue and you put it on the lace, just like that, and glue it on to the head. And there you go. There it is, your rag doll. And you can play with it with your other dolls or with your Polly Pockets or your Barbies, and they'll have just a fun time. So if you want to take it to the next level, you can go ahead and add on a hat. That's where the felt circle comes in. Or you can sew on some hair. Has some beautiful black or white or red or blue hair. And here's some more. It's all in her face. And you can also add a bow or a button or whatever you'd like to the dress or suit. Welcome back. We have a winter carnival coming up this Saturday. Since it was so cold last weekend, but it's supposed to get warmer this weekend, we decided to make a second weekend for our winter carnival. Make sure you grab all of your family and come out for some winter fun. Also, don't forget, we have a contest. Link is in the description. Make sure you get your parents to help you fill out the form and you could be entered to win a spirograph. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like it, and share it with all of your friends. And if you'd like, hit that bell so you get notified every single time we upload a video. See you next week.